what is this video about? Ah, yes, it's about the smoke alarm. I took the smoke alarms down when I painted the ceilings. It's always a good idea. Before you paint a ceiling, just take the smoke alarm down instead of masking around it and stuff. That way I got the roller right up in there. I didn't have to cut in around it and all that kind of stuff. And, you know, I just left the harness, the wire harness in there. And I turned the power off. I'm going to turn the power off right now. Sometimes you can do this hot if you want. You pull that apart and leave the power on as long as you're careful with it. But I really would recommend you turning the power off before you work on these. When you take them down, when you put them back up. Now this isn't all about how to install one from scratch. It's just how to reinstall this. How to reinstall this here. See this, the three little prongs. See those three prongs? And sometimes, believe it or not, if you're not paying attention, you might not get all three prongs plugged in there properly and thinking you have it, and then it doesn't go on. Gotta make sure you put those on. If you want to watch me put this in fact, I got another one downstairs to do too. They don't really take very long to put back up right on there, okay? Stick around, I'll show you.